System errors causing the audio-video format MP55.dll crashes in FFmpeg Project. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we start the audio-video format MP55 manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the audio-video format MP55, a version-specific FFmpeg demuxing library build used by older players and editors to parse multimedia containers. It handles stream indexing and extraction. If missing, applications may fail playback with errors such as unsupported file format. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since audio-video format MP55, DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the FFmpeg Project toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the audio-video format MP55 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for audio-video format MP55.dll, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your audio-video format MP55 environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored audio-video format MP55 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.